सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we are going to make a Facebook cover design using Adobe Photoshop. So here I create a new file. So my size will be 820 into 312. This is a fixed size for Facebook cover, right? So then I press create. So here is my artboard. So my artboard size is 820 into 312. Today I am going to make a banner design for Facebook cover, right? So first I go to gradient tool and I set a gradient here, right? Then I create a new layer, go to brush tool. Okay, so after that I want to import an image. So before import an image I want to make a guideline. I use guideline as a my margin. So step is I go to file menu and place and embed an image here in desktop. So here I import an image, then file, another image I want to import, fine, right? Then go to file and place and embed, fine. Then I want to write something here, so I go for a round rectangle tool, fine. I just arrange them, something like that, right? Then I want to write something here, fine. I write everything. Then I go to brush tool, I create a new layer, right? After making some path, then I want to go to file and place and import. I don't import, here I have cloud. I just import this cloud and I just place here and drag this cloud top of my layer, right? Then press Ctrl T for free transformation and using shift key I just scale down this one, right? So I have a cloud here. Then I go to file and place and embed. So here I download some flying bird. So here I import, right click, flip horizontal and set them here and scale down this image, small images, right? Sorry. Okay, then press Ctrl T. Fine. Then the last thing is go to background layer and go to brush tool. I need soft round brush tool, increase the side pressing bracket, and I need eye for eyedropper tool. I need this color, right? And create a new layer and go to brush tool, right? So here is, and I am going to decrease the opacity. Just look. So guys, here is my design for a Facebook cover design. So if you like my design, so please do like and subscribe my channel. So thank you, thanks for watching, thank you so much.